my creamy garlic chicken with mascarpone, parmesan and chili. Let's make this. First get your chicken breast and then slice it in half like that. Into a bowl. On here I've got some salt and pepper, some paprika, some chilli powder and some cumin powder. Put that in with your chicken and then give it a good mix. Next add some oil, just some vegetable oil, and then we're going to mix it again. Got a nice pan on the stove there, it's nice and hot. Now we're going to add our chicken in. I've got the pan on a medium heat. Don't want to get it too hot too quickly and burn the chicken. Want a nice sear on like that. Flip them over. Once the chicken's nicely cooked, put it in a bowl. Right now in the same pan, add a tablespoon of butter. You just melt that down. Once the butter's melted, in with the mascarpone. Yep, mascarpone! Now we're going to add in our garlic. I've got about 10 cloves in there. Let that stir and simmer for about 3 minutes. Now add in your chicken stock. Stir some more. Add in your oregano and thyme. After 2 or 3 minutes, add in your parmesan. Now we're going to let that sauce reduce and thicken. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce. Keep stirring. That's starting to reduce now, so I'm going to put in half my parsley. Give it a stir. And now back in with the chicken. Don't forget your juices, love. I think that's just about ready to plate. And there it is. Look at that.